Hi guys, uh, let us first tell you this video is about how Google Traffic works. So you must be knowing about Google Traffic feature on Google App Maps. So say you go from, say you need to travel from Washington DC, say to New York City. You just type it, then you get many options, right? So you can see there are multitude options, like you can take three paths. Okay, so it shows 226 miles, 3 hours 51 minutes. Another path shows 3 hours 34 minutes. And you can also see different travel options like flight rate. um, if you take a train, then it gives timing and all those things. If you can see all these options. So have you wondered how does it says that uh, say, like, if I go in in a particular road, how does it estimates the average distance, or how does it estimates the traffic on the road? So mostly it does it by using the cell phone users. So now in the generation of smartphones, nearly every phone has GPS, right? So most of the Android phones uh, allows the GPS data to Google. So Google retrieves all those data and find out how many cell phone users are there on a particular road. So it measures the speed of the person using the phone. It measures the uh, say number of cell phone users on a particular stretch of road, and likewise it detects the traffic on the road. So if on on a road you cannot, there are no cell phone user, but it is completely rush, completely occupied by people, but since there are no user, Google will show it as a completely blank road. While if on like on the other road, if there are a few cell phone users, like there are many cell phone users, but uh, you know that it's not that much dense, crowded as the previous road, then the result will show something different than what we expect. So mostly they collect GPS data from cell phones. That is the main thing. So you allow it or not, they mostly uh, take that data. Another thing, if we take a road from New York to, say, the line. Right, so it shows here, right? How does it says that um you can take so basically I pointed out two locations. uh, okay, let me make it much more specific. Manhattan to the Highline Road Hotel. So uh, so you can see it is nearly 3.5 mile to 4 mile. The distance is 3.5 mile to 4 mile. It takes an average of 18 to 20 minutes if you take a private car or bike. But if you go for public transport option, you can get a bus or you can go for, you can see here, transit trains. So how does it collect this bus stop data? So basically, Google takes what you call that, Google makes a survey on the frequent travelers. If you notice, if you are on a traveling mode for a week or so, or if you uh, say, Google uses machine learning to separate out data of people who travel a lot. Okay, so if you travel a lot, people will send some questions to your Google account. So basically, you will be part of a Google survey. So it will ask you, okay, why did you wait at a certain place? Is it a bus stop? Then did you take a certain a particular bus? Like it will ask you, is it a bus number this, or what was the bus number of the bus you took from, say, Amsterdam Dam Avenue? So if you're a traveler, you will Google will continuously ask you the uh, questions uh, uh, about your journey. So on the basis of the survey it conducts, it stores the data. It will conduct survey. It will ask question from many people. Then on the basis of that, it will take data and it will store the information you provide on the on screening all those information. It makes a map and all the traffic plot plotting it does. So on the basis of how much time it takes on average, like on an average, how many people pass from one point to another, on the basis of the data it collects, it finds out the time taken, the different transport options, and it can also detect any abnormality in traffic. So it can also point out like if there is any road blockage, if there is any diversion on the road. So all these are basically on the basis of the data it collects. So it is a high on data analytics. Okay, that's all for today in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day and bye.